my heart. You're trying.
Hey little mamas, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is eri.reneee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this video. Today is going to be my Sunday reset routine. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and just start in my closet. Y'all, usually I like to relax on my Sundays, but my closet was really giving me very much cluttered. I just need to throw stuff that I don't wear out. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm just going to wash a little bit of laundry. But best believe, after this, we're not doing any more cleaning. I'm about to do some self-care and just relax. So if y'all are interested in seeing this video, do not forget to keep on watching. Do not forget to comment, and subscribe, y'all. And just keep on watching.
My heart, you're trying too hard. You can't make me love you. No, I won't. Don't make me love you if I don't. You can't make me love you if I won't. And you can't change my heart. You're trying too hard. You can't make me love you. No, I won't. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You know what, that was you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody touched me in the crisis. I believe all in your dreams like a real. You took my heart, I'ma leave in my business. You took my heart, I'ma leave a decoration. You took my love, I'm up for you, my foundation. All I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you never seen. Something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, before the day was work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work.
Okay, so what Sunday resets, it really means to me just resetting your whole mind, your mood, because y'all, when Mondays come around, it can be a little annoying, especially having to go into work when you really don't want to, but you gotta go because you gotta pay your bills. So so yeah, Sunday is just a reset of my mind. That's why I just like to relax, and I honestly don't do anything on Sundays. If I have to go grocery shopping, I like doing it on Saturdays or Fridays. Sundays is just me time. So I just focusing on my skincare. And also I have this cute little lounge set that I got from Skims. This is their little onesie. If I can find it, I'll have it linked down below. But yeah, this is just my time to just relax, recuperate, get my mind right. And y'all, I have really been loving using this Gua Sha Stone. I don't know if I'm using it correctly, but I've been seeing some results. So yeah, if y'all are interested in this Gua Sha Stone, I have it linked down below. I actually got mine from Amazon. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna continue my little self-care, and then after this I'm gonna go ahead and make me some dinner, and I'm gonna, you know, go for a little healthy vibes because I'm trying to get on my healthy vibe. So yeah, summer is right around the corner, so we got to get right, and I want to stay right. So yeah, just keep on watching, and if you have watched up to this point, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video.
Too hard, you can't make me love you. No, I want, don't hit me with the interview, asking all the questions. You don't have to call, I don't want to talk. Give you the impression that I would be down, really got you down. Should've known better, cause I'm not feeling ya. Don't get any feelings yet. You can't make me love you if I don't. You can't make.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Break it down one time.
You say you really wanna see it. You only 2 miles away. All I see is face I'm ringing. Yet you don't got time today. That's okay, that's cool. We don't have to talk about it. No, we don't have to talk about it. You say we in it for the long haul. I didn't even get to U-Haul. I didn't even get that far. We didn't even get that far. But we don't have to talk about it. No, no, we don't have to talk about it. I can see your face, like the sun in the rain on a cloudy day. But I can feel your pain. Was it something I said? Was it something you said? We don't have to talk about it. No, so we don't have to talk about it. Hey. It's nothing you say you ain't want. So you just run away. So how am I supposed to take it? You still got much to say. That's okay, that's cool. We don't have to talk about it. No, we don't have to talk about it. You said we in it for the long haul. I didn't even get to U-Haul. I didn't even get that far. We didn't even get that far. But we don't have to talk about it. No, no, we don't have to talk about it. Hey. I can see your face, like the sun in the rain on a cloudy day. But I can't.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make me a little probiotic drink, and this is the brand Dr. D's. This is in the flavor crisp apple. Y'all, it is so good. It's basically good for like gut health, any bloating that you may have. So I just love drinking these. And then we're going to end the night off by watching my girl Aaliyah. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
How much money you got? 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 A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done died? A lot. Left you out to rot? A lot. How many pray that you fall? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these guys. Every day that I'm alive, I'ma ride with this stick. I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. Told my brothers take my breath if I turn to a snitch. But I'm 21 for L, ain't no way I'ma switch.
How many faking they streams, getting they plays from machines? I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem. I never say anything, everybody got their thing. Some niggas make millions, other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine, I don't want smoke, I want cream. I don't want no more comparisons, this is a marathon. And I'm aware I've been playing up that from a lack of promotions. I never was one for the bragging and boasting. I guess I was hoping the music would speak for itself, but the people want everything else. Okay, no problem, I show up on every one album, you know what the outcome will be. I'm betting 1,000, it's got to the peak. Many rappers don't even like rapping with me. Fucking come my nigga 21 Savage just hit me and told me he sent me a spot. On the new record he got, he called it a lie. I opened my book and I got paper Takashi, they wanted a rap. I picture him inside the cell on the cot, reflecting on how he made it to the top, wondering if it was worth it or not. I pray for my kill cause they fucked up his shot. Just want you to know that you got it, my nigga. Though I never met you, I know that you special and that the Lord bless you. Don't doubt it, my nigga. Dennis Smith Jr. stay solid, my nigga. I'm on a tangent, not how I planned it. I had some fans that hopped in a band and shit when they thought that I wasn't gon' plan. Now I got a plan. They say that success is the greatest revenge. Tell all your friends, call on a mission, submitting the spot is the greatest that did it before it all ends, nigga.
How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people done died? A lot. Left you out to ride? A lot. How many pray that you fall? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas done died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot.